On today's video, I am going to talk about the quadratic function. A quadratic function is a type of polynomial function where the highest power is 2. Pag sinabing highest power is 2, ang tawag dito, second degree function. If you see an expression like x squared plus 5, it is a quadratic expression because of that squared, or the degree is on the second degree. The graph of quadratic function is called parabola. We have to consider two. The first one is the general or standard form, and the second one is the vertex form. But in this video, I am going to concentrate on the general or standard form. What is the general or standard form? F of x is equivalent to a x squared plus bx plus c. So that's the standard form, general form of quadratic function. How about the vertex form? The vertex form is f of x, a x minus h squared plus k. As you observe in the vertex form, there is a different letter that we use, which is the h and the k. So this is the vertex of the parabola. The value of h is also the x, and the value of k is also the y. But for this time, dito muna tayo sa general standard form. Let's go here, solving and graphing of quadratic function. Consider the following. So when you graph, you have to consider these three. The first is to identify the shape. If it is going upward, if it is going downward, or opens upward, sometimes it opens downward. And where is the vertex? So this should be considered to visualize before you will do the graphing. The second one is to find the vertex. So the vertex is h and the k. As I've said, that h refers to the value of x and k refers to the value of y. Also the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry, this is a line on the y-axis where it creates a separation between the left side of the graph and the right side of the graph. If you've already find the vertex, yung value ng x na yun, that will be your axis of symmetry. And the third one is the x and y intercepts. Ang ibig sabihin ng x and y intercepts, these are the intercepts where it falls on the axis line. So kapag x-intercept, ibig sabihin nun, bumangga yung graph sa x-axis. Pag sinabing y-intercept, bumangga ang graph sa y-axis. This should be considered on how to solve and graph the quadratic function.